All right, all right, all right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Mining the coin, staking the coin, using credit cards from like BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good information on cryptocurrency. Today, we're going to be talking about Shiba Inu. That's right, everybody. Shiba Inu is up 50% in the last 24 hours, and it's up 72% in the last 7 days. We love Shiba Inu. We've been talking about it for months here. It's been going up, up, up. We were talking about crushing zeros. It was crushing zeros, and it's still crushing zeros at an all-time high right now. So today's episode is going to be about Shiba Inu. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency. Today, also being Sunday, Tom Brady is going to be on the tube today all day long talking about what he's getting into, and he's getting into cryptocurrency too. So Tom's going to help everybody out learn about cryptocurrency today. Thank you, Tom Brady. So with that, we want to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, maybe one day own some cryptocurrency. You know, which blockchains do you own the cryptocurrency on? Are you using the Flexa network? All kinds of things. Hey, is Shiba Inu going to be bigger than AMP Coin? Is AMP Coin going to be bigger than Shiba Inu? Well, that's funny because AMP is at around 5 cents, almost 5 cents, and Shiba is way, way less than that, but Shiba's ranked way higher on CoinMarket, so I don't know. Let's go ahead and jump over to Shiba Inu. All right, over here at CoinMarket, Shiba Inu is ranked number 11. Can you believe it? There's two doggy coins here, Dogecoin and Shiba. They're touching each other. They're both in the top 10 if you take out stable coins. Shiba Inu is up 73%. Look at this. It's up 73% in the last 7 days. Shiba Inu is also up 54% in the last 24 hours. I hope you were all listening to me weeks and weeks ago when we were talking about the Shiba. There's only 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros now in the middle there. Only 4 zeros of the Shiba. Well, let's take a look. Shiba Inu is now ranked number 11, the 11th best cryptocurrency on the planet right now. Take a look at that. It's up over 50% in the last 24 hours. It's got 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. 43.39. Pretty nice right there. It's a record. Going down here, yeah, Shiba's up. It's up, 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 and that's one of the things I'm going to show you. Take a look at from right here. The Shiba's going up. The Shiba's going to the moon. Shiba, Shiba, Shiba. We ain't stopping. You know what, guys? Since we've been talking about Shiba, all it's been doing is going up, 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 crushing zeros. Click in the holders. Take a look at this, everybody. Shiba Inu's got 763,000 holders of the coin. 763,000 compared to AMP token that's got 45,000. Holy cow there. 90 days earlier that had 602,000. July 28th, July 27th, 602. Now there's 763. Yeah, guess what? People are definitely paying attention to the Shiba Inu. What is it saying in the news? Over here at Cointelegraph, Shiba Inu surges over 45% in 2 days to reach an all-time high. The latest price of Shiba Inu is attributed to the open, ongoing bullish trend, for which the week-long support, there's, and right here it's talking about the different zeros and stuff. That article, it was at 27. Already over here it's at 43. Way, way bigger. But it says Shiba, spin-off of Dogecoin, reaches an all-time high and the price surge over 46% in 2 days. The latest price jump of Shiba token is attributed to an ongoing bullish trend from October 15th, which helps cryptocurrency value rally more than 26%. Shiba Army, are you happy? Holy yeah, I know the Shiba Army's happy. In the last 7 days, Shiba Inu market value has surged over 50%. Look at that. It has surged over 50%, everybody. That's why we've been talking about this coin for a couple months now. We knew this. Okay, that's why we started talking about it. Basically, it's the 13th best cryptocurrency. Wrong, it's the 11th best cryptocurrency right now. Currently, Shiba holds the biggest circulation supply of nearly 395 trillion. Back in September, the Dogecoin spin-off token jumped 40% after Elon Musk, CEO of Tesla, tweeted about the arrival of his new Shiba Inu puppy called Floki. Hey, Floki. So we know this. Cointelegraph's got this thing targeted to hit a 52, where right now it's at 43. And it says the growth of Dogecoin and Shiba Inu is primarily attributed to the support of the Tesla CEO Elon Musk. In a recent conference, it is not possible to destroy crypto, but it is possible for government to slow down its advancement. Moreover, the entrepreneur believes the United States government should do nothing for regulating cryptocurrency. So Shiba Inu is up, 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 going to the moon. Okay, we've been talking about the Shiba. We like the Shiba, crushing zeros. I mean, literally Shiba Inu. Now, we also know that Shiba Inu and AMP token are one of the 4 tokens that Amazon is considering in 2022. They're going to bring 2 cryptocurrencies in, a Shiba and AMP token. There's 4 of them on there. Matic and HOKK, Hoof, was also on there. So 4 of them, Shiba Inu and AMP. Wait till Shiba Inu and AMP, one of the 2 of them or both of them gets hooked up with Amazon in 2022. You think things are happening right now with zeros getting crushed? Holy cow right now. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. All the information on this channel is for educational purposes only. But Shiba Inu, going to the moon. Guess what? AMP token's right there too. All kinds of good news going on with Shiba. Alright, just another supporting article here over at Mint. Take a look at what this one says. Shiba Inu jumps 50% to record, becoming the 11th biggest cryptocurrency coin. Well, Shiba is right there. Shiba was up 50% in 24 hours through the New York Times Sunday at CoinGecko. Shiba soars to a record high over the weekend to become the 11th biggest cryptocurrency on the market value. Take a look at this. There's a big one. A petition on change.org for Robinhood lists Shiba. There's over 300,000 signatures of people wanting Shiba on the Robinhood platform. Robinhood, come on. Bring the Shiba Inu to the Robinhood. Hey, you know what? If you don't get it on Robinhood, just go to Binance to get your Shiba Inu. That's where I get mine. I mean, I love Robinhood to have it, but if Robinhood's not going to have it, go to Binance to get your Shiba Inu for now. You know, here's a couple things that it says. The Mimi has value and has been investable through the 2022. Jonathan Chaseman head to over-the-counter institute sales of crypto exchange FTX. Now, here's what he says. He says, in an email Sunday, he added, the lower dollar price tokens are attractive to the retail because investors can still buy 20,000 Shiba for $1. You know, so for $1, they get 20,000 Shiba. You know, so, I mean, Bitcoin is so expensive over the 60,000 mark, and Ethereum at over 4,000. You know, this is attractive to people. You know, $1, you get 20,000 Shibas. You know, Shiba was founded in 2020 by an anonymous person, go by the name. Coin website refers to it as a decentralized meme token Valbert ecosystem. It appears it has been made in the vein of Dogecoin, a cryptocurrency that was created as a joke in 2013. In the Shiba theme, the Dogecoin has been a very popular token that is used for payments by some sport teams, AMC theaters, and others. There's that AMC theaters using cryptocurrency. Now here's something interesting. The Dogecoin is up in the past 24 hours, according to CoinGecko. They have a market value of $33 billion, while Shiba Inu has a market value around $21 billion. That's right. There are 2 doggy meme coins in the top 10 cryptocurrencies exchanges, excluding stable coins. You know, over here at the Shiba Inu website, Shiba token, a decentralized meme token that was involved into a vibrant ecosystem. I mean, if you haven't been over to the website, you're definitely going to want to take a look at the website. They got a lot of good things here. The Shiba, Leash, and Bone. The Shiba Inu token is a foundation currently that allows investors to hold millions, billions, and even trillions of it in their wallet. Between the recognition and its legitimacy, Shiba is up thousands of times and consistently expanding to reach. Shiba is the first to be listed in the centralized on the Shiba Swap, our proprietary DEX. You know, so all kinds of good stuff going on with Shiba. On the Shiba Swap, you know, you can go over to the Shiba Swap. There's Shiba, Leash, Bones come together to create Shiba Swap, the next evolution in DeFi platform. Shiba Swap gives users the ability to dig, provide liquidity, bury, stake. You know, remember, staking is very important. swap tokens, and gain returns through our sophisticated and innovative passive income reward system. Our platform allows the Shiba Army to access upcoming NFTs, additional tools such as protocols, trackers that make navigation of the crypto world simple and fun. All kinds of good stuff going on with Shiba Inu. So with that, little Shiba Inu up over 45-50%. In the last 7 days, it's up over 70%. So I don't know. Did you get on the Shiba train a month ago when we were talking about it? A month and a half ago? Are you paying attention now? There's 4 zeros. There was 5, and they were crushing it. They're going to keep crushing zeros. Now remember, all our information is for educational purposes only. But Shiba's going to the moon. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. We bring you a video every Monday through Friday around 1 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. Saturdays and Sundays around 3 or 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Once in a while, we bring you a bonus video 6 or 7 o'clock at night on Monday through Fridays if something pops real good, and we don't want you to wait till the next day. So don't forget to share this with your friends. Tom Brady's going to promote cryptocurrency all day today to everybody that's watching football. So that's a good indication of maybe you want to learn about cryptocurrency and what's going on. In 3 years from now, cryptocurrency is going to be as common as peanut butter and jelly. So with that, have a great day today, everybody, on Sunday.